Hey, welcome back to the channel for more exciting news updates from the financial world. The Q2 earnings season had investors grinning from ear to ear yesterday, as the Dow achieved its longest winning streak since September 2019 with 8 consecutive days in the green. So it is a great time to be a stock investor. Carvana ticker symbol CVNA experienced a remarkable surge after announcing a deal to reduce its debt by a whopping $1.2 billion. The used car seller's stock then jumped up by 43% within the first 6 minutes of trading, which you should have caught if you listened to yesterday's video. We also see Netflix, the popular video streaming service ticker symbol NFLX, making a strategic move to crack down on password sharing, which is paying off big time. The company also gained a jaw-dropping 5.9 million subscribers in the last quarter. While other media companies grapple with the streaming transition, Netflix is looking pretty darn good. However, its revenue fell short of expectations, and in a letter to shareholders, Netflix expressed its determination to re-accelerate its growth. From a financial perspective, Netflix reported earnings with an impressive EPS of $3.29, surpassing expectations of $2.86 per share. However, their revenue of $8.19 billion missed expectations of $8.29 billion. In other news, Apple, the technology company ticker symbol AAPL, has their engineers working tirelessly on the development of their AI model, Ajax. Apple is gearing up for another groundbreaking tech revolution, and their stock price hit a record high, sending waves of enthusiasm through the market. Up next, we see that Tesla, the EV and energy company, ticker symbol TSLA, made investors a bit nervous about the profit margin decrease due to their new cheaper prices, especially after Elon Musk hinted at even lower prices if macroeconomic conditions are unstable. But no worries, Tesla reported its best ever quarterly sales, delivering an astounding 466,000 electric vehicles. Tesla also just reported earnings, and they've smashed expectations with an impressive EPS of 91 cents, beating the projected 82 cents per share. Their revenue of $24.9 billion also exceeded expectations of $24.7 billion, and the excitement keeps building as analysts raise their price targets on Tesla stock to $350 from $300 with an outperform rating. Elon Musk has more good news, revealing Tesla's enthusiasm for Nvidia's AI hardware. The stock price is soaring, and Barclays has raised its price target on Nvidia stock to $600 from $500 while maintaining an overweight rating. In a shocking revelation, the Wall Street Journal exposed over 2,000 toxic lead-sheathed cables across the U.S., owned by telecom giants like at&t and Verizon. This news has everyone concerned about the health risks involved, but there's hope as experts are working on solutions. The telecom industry is facing a challenging situation, but they're not the first to handle such issues. This comes after the recent settlements with 3M and Johnson & Johnson, so it looks like multiple companies are being criticized for health-related pitfalls. For technology news, we have Google revolutionizing the news industry with AI-powered news stories. The tech giant Google recently pitched its groundbreaking product to leading news organizations, including the New York Times and the Washington Post. The artificial intelligence tool, known as Genesis, has the potential to become a personal assistant for journalists, automating tasks and reshaping the publishing industry. We also see that YouTube is increasing its premium subscription price in the US to $13.99 from $11.99 per month. And that's not all. The US Army confirms Microsoft is on track to deliver its improved combat goggles, leading to excitement in the tech world, plus Citigroup raises its price target on Microsoft to $425 from $340 with a buy rating. In earnings news, United Airlines has achieved all-time high quarterly earnings, and they are flying high with an improved annual outlook due to soaring international vacation demand, so this is fantastic news for airline stockholders. Amazon has some exciting plans too. They're bringing their Pay by Palm system to all Whole Foods stores by year-end, which means that you can literally make payments with a swipe of your hand which is linked to your account. In macroeconomic news, U.S. existing home sales dropped to a 5-month low, declining by 3.3% to a rate of 4.16 million units. This was due to a chronic shortage of available homes on the market, which limited the decline in annual house prices. Home resales fell significantly by 18.9% year-on-year. Despite indications that the housing market might have bottomed out, the persistent shortage of homes for sale could hinder a substantial rebound. Homeowners are holding on to their properties longer, contributing to the tight supply. Builders are facing challenges with material shortages and higher borrowing costs. The median existing house price decreased by 0.9% from the previous year, settling at $410,200, while the median house price increased by 3.5% from May. The tight market led to multiple offer situations, with about one-third of homes selling above the list price. First-time buyers accounted for 27% of sales, down from the previous year's 30%. All cash sales represented 26% of transactions, and distressed sales remained unchanged at 2%. That concludes today's stock market news stories. For more videos so you can stay informed, press the like button, subscribe to stay informed, comment down below your thoughts on the stock market, and as always, happy investing.